Okay, in this video we're going to take a look at shaping this foot up a little bit better. So we're going to go in here, we're going to select that vertex, and you may need to turn on your gizmo to see it for this, which you go here and then just turn on the move. That way we can kind of just get in here and grab this and pull it out. Use the gizmo then to move things. We're going to do the same thing here. Pull this one out. Pull it up to the middle. Essentially all we're doing is just shaping things out a little bit better. Okay, so we have that. Let's go ahead and pull this in. Let's do the same thing here, because essentially what we're trying to do is round this stuff out. See how we round it out. And once we round it out, if we turn on smoothing, we can see what that does. These get kind of flat. And as I said before, on this, we don't want that. So let's go in and continue on. We'll go ahead and move this in. We'll move this in. Same thing here. We'll round this out. We're also going to grab the tops of these claws. We're going to move those up. Each one. Same thing on the bottom. We're going to pull those down. Just to round things out. Okay. Let's grab this one. Let's pull it out. Now let's switch over to our edge mode. Let's grab that. Right there, right here, right here. And let's pull that down. It's all just to more or less give the foot a little bit better shaping. Let's see, we'll grab this edge mode and then pull this down like that. Alright, let's check that out. Yeah, so we're getting some separation there, which is what I wanted. Now, you can still see that all the way around this edge, it's still kind of flat. So what we're going to do is the same thing, except we're going to we'll grab these three edges. We'll pull them out a little bit. We'll grab these on the back. We'll pull them back a little bit. And then we'll grab these three on the edge here and we'll pull them out. Now we're probably still going to do a lot more shaping here, but like I said before, we're just trying to help the forms along, get the shape that we want. It'll just make our sculpting easier. Alright, let's turn on our smoothing. Alright, that looks better. So as I said, this was just going to be a short video to go in there and push some of those forms, bring more of what we did together. But I think so far right now it's looking pretty good. All right, thanks again.